Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As a part of Gmail automation with the help of GSuite activities, we are left with one more activity in Gmail folder, that is nothing but the change labels. So what change label mean? So if you observe in your emails, so we'll see left hand side panel is with some folders. In my email I have folders like Leo and Kevin, and if you open any mail inside a particular folder, so we usually call these as labels. So if I open this mail, so we can see a particular label is available here. In this case I opened the mail from Leo, so I have a tag called Leo, which is nothing but a label. In the same way, if you open the Kevin folder, so as there are no conversations now, I can say, so if I open any mail, you can see mails with this kind of label with Kevin name. So now in this session we'll see how we can change the tag, change the label to a mail. So we'll see this. Just drag and drop into our designer panel of change labels activity. So if you observe the options on this change label, so it is expecting a Gmail message object. So before that I'll explain the remaining objects here. So here change message labels. So here we need to provide the argument. So from which label to which label we want to convert. In this case, I just need to mention the label as Kevin, as I want to move my email with this UiPath interview questions subject into this Kevin folder. So that's why I need to keep name as value here. I need to pass it as an argument. Okay. So coming to the other properties, so here we can see email in the object. So whatever we want to convert from one label to another label, so this we need to get it from get emails activity. Okay, so I will show you how it is, and this new label is nothing but the change message labels. So that's all the properties we have in this one. So as we have earlier seen in the get mail D, so here if you observe this item here, so it is one email. So here what our expectation is Gmail message object. So here we get one message box, say that we'll get the subject of one particular email. Okay, so what I will do is I will just use the same activity. So I will copy all this Excel Gmail application scope. So just copy it, and so here I will paste it here in this activity. So now I have this GSuite application scope under my change label sequence. So I will just drag and drop this into my new block of GSuite application scope. Paste into this one. So just verify whether we are in the current block or not. Of do, yeah, we are in the current block. Okay, so I am. What here it will do is it will find out the mails which is under the Leo table, okay, and it will identify the mails which is having the attachment. So as I have only one mail with this attachment, I'll play it. So this mail I want to move it from Leo to the email label. Okay, so here I'm just normally not morphing anything, and here I have the settings as usual we kept in the previous session. If you are watching this for the first time, so just refer my previous session about the configuration and about the properties. And here, so I will just remove this one, as I don't need to use to display any of the subject line or anything. So I just need this item mail, which is nothing but the item mail object. Okay, so just update the mail object here as item mail. So and here we need to provide the label from where you want to change to which target location. So here in this case I want to change my email from Leo to Kevin folder. So now the error is gone. So we configured the object and we configured this message label. That's the configuration I need to require, and just check the configure scopes, and here it is included, and authentication type, everything are here. Okay. So let's check now. execution is started now. Execution is completed. So let's check our email. So now we have a mail here in. So now we can observe this mail is moved from this Leo folder to the Kevin folder, and refresh this as well. So yeah, here we can see. So now it is with the label as Kevin. So initially it is with the label as Leo. Now it is updated to Kevin. And in the same way, if you want to move the many messages based on this filter and count here, observe this max results. So we can push all these emails from one label to another label based on your requirement. And one more thing is, so if you want to change the label of a particular email, so the target label should be available in your Gmail account or in the target email user, or else it will throw the error message in UiPath Studio. Okay, so for now, I hope you like this video. If you have any comments or any feedback, please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please do subscribe and like our videos about UiPath. Thank you.